First, this is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Welcome back. Chief Meteorologist Aaron White is getting some new information from the National Weather Service about all that went on last night.
Yeah, a lot of things happened. I mean, we had several warnings, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings in Iowa, Minnesota. A lot of reports of damage that we are being able to see today with the daylight across North Iowa, especially around Mason City, but also in Minnesota, where we had actually a confirmed tornado in Teope as an EF2 tornado, but the National Weather Service starting to release more information, and some of the new updates here that we have is 1 mile south of Saratoga, Iowa, an EF0 tornado caused some damage to trees. We also had an EF1 tornado that moved through the Mitchell County area near 2 miles east of New Haven. So we're going to be processing these updates, and we'll have those posted here online on KIMT News, KIMT.com, but we'll also have them later on in the newscast as well. But going back to what we had yesterday, just a lot of storm activity. We started tracking them just to the west of Mason City. This is when we started our severe weather coverage just after 6:30 with that tornado warning. And then the tornado warning continued to move in just near Mason City after about 8 o'clock. And that was our first storm. And then we had another storm on the tail with another tornado warning with that third line of thunderstorms. So multiple rounds of storms that moved through, producing a lot of damage around Mason City, but also other parts of North Iowa and southeast Minnesota. Aside from the tornadoes and the wind, we also had hail, large hail up to golf ball size there in Garner. This is one of the trees down in Mason City. And also, if you look here very closely, notice that you can kind of see a funnel shape there, possibly touching down. It could be a tornado. Can't confirm that just because of just the darkness of the video, because it was obviously after dark. But aside from the severe weather, we also had a lot of rainfall in and around Mason City. Estimates between 2 to 4 inches, but some areas saw as much as 5 inches of rainfall. A lot of fields flooded because of just torrential rain moving through last night. Now, as we look at conditions, now it is a bit brighter. We got sunshine now in Mason City, up to 40 degrees. Still breezy, though, for those cleanup efforts, and the wind is going to be the most notable thing going through the next couple of days. Right now, 20 miles per hour out of the west-northwest. Downtown Rochester, still a bit of cloud cover, 35 degrees, wind out of the west, and we have that wind advisory in effect for your Thursday. Calling for winds out of the west about 20 to 35 miles per hour. Some gusts over 40 going through the day, and like I said, that's going to be the most notable thing for the rest of today, especially tomorrow, but also into Friday. But things will start to calm down a bit in terms of the wind going into the weekend. As we look at conditions going through tonight, we are looking at a partly cloudy sky, low near 28 degrees. For tomorrow, highs into the upper 30s, so still a bit chilly. It's going to feel like it's in the upper 20s all day long. As we head into the Easter holiday weekend, we're calling for highs into the lower 40s, dry conditions, and 40s for much of next week. Tyler?
Thank you, Aaron.